Hello everyone, this is Mark with MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com bringing you a tropical update for today, November 20th, 2011. We're talking about the Eastern Pacific and the Atlantic having tropical activity, believe it or not. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. First of all, I'd like to point out all the cloud up here in the United States is showing showers and thunderstorms out in the Midwest, and we're taking a look at snow showers and a lot of activity. So actually going into the Eastern Pacific, taking a look at this tropical depression that formed. And this tropical depression has been updated by the National Hurricane Center and by Mr. Hurricane Tracker. I'll go ahead and bring up the latest advisory in just a moment, but take a look at this storm. It's got a lot of potential of becoming a hurricane as it moves on out into the open water, and that's what it's going to do. It's going to continue to move out into open water out towards the west, and the movement is going to be away from any landfall threat at this time. So again, moving away from any landfall. This is a good storm system, but moving away, thank goodness, from Mexico, so there's going to be no threat to Mexico at this time. So taking a look at the information real quickly here, I'll bring up the MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com website so we can take a look at it together. Now if you notice, we are in a green state, which means there's really not much to worry about on the website. If it's in blue or red, it's either due to earthquake activity or climate change activity. Right now we're dealing with the tropical activity. Right now the tropical activity is actually pretty active, but since there's no threat to any land, of course the site remains in green condition. Taking a look at the graphical tropical weather outlook for the Eastern Pacific, we got Tropical Depression 13 Edward, and here is the path for 13 Edward. Again, of course, I'll continue to keep you updated, but it looks like there's really not much to worry about as it's going to continue to move on out away from water. Away from land, I should say. Advisory number 4 from the National Hurricane Center as of 7 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Today, November 20th, max winds are 30 knots, 35 miles per hour, minimum central pressure 1005 millibars, movement west at 11 knots or 13 miles per hour. Out in the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico, we have some tropical activity as well, believe it or not, and this is very unique to have this tropical activity towards the end of November. Graphical tropical weather outlook for the Atlantic, taking a look at the update. Down below, showers and thunderstorm activity associated with a low pressure system located about 550 miles northeast of the northeastern Leeward Islands has become slightly better organized during the last several hours. Continued slow development of this disturbance is possible during the next day or two as it moves slowly northward into a region more favorable for upper level winds. Now guys, I want to stress out, this is moving away from landfall as well. Not much to probably have to worry about. You know, we'll probably keep an eye on Bermuda, but of course it looks like it's moving away. Not something that we have to worry about for Bermuda. The system has a medium chance of 50% of becoming a subtropical or tropical cyclone during the next 48 hours. So even if it does become a cyclone, it may be a subtropical, which is very weak cyclone, or a tropical cyclone during the next 48 hours, and we'll continue to keep you posted. So stay tuned, and below, of course, I'll update your earthquake activity, and again, stay tuned for the latest information right here, and of course, I'll update the video once we're completed. So again, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please rate, subscribe, and comment, and have a great day.